Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the silly statue on Tomato Town. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this funny looking statue, and to begin, we're going to start out with his eyes. So it's going to be pretty simple. Just going to draw two oval and just kind of have it point in a little bit toward each other. Okay, and then from there we can draw in the little eyeballs. So again, two little ovals, and let me shade it in real quick. And I'll try to save a little bit of highlight. Alright, so from here, now let's go down and draw his mustache. So it's like right below, in the center here, just draw in, right in between the eyes. Start from here and just kind of make two little big loops. And then come down and then go back up. So that's going to be the tip of his mustache. Alright, and then once we have that, we can start from the middle here if you want. And just kind of go out and then connect to that little tip on the mustache. So just kind of pinch it in. Alright, so that's his funny mustache. And then here, let's finish up his eyebrows. So just up here, just draw two lines like this going down. And then on the corner here, just go up because it's going to be thicker. And then once you have that, then you just kind of slant it down and connect to the other corner. Alright, so let's see. Let's draw in his teeth now. So right here, just come down. And he's got a big smile. So we're going to come across. That's going to be the top. And then we're going to come down on the side here. And then here, you want to just draw a nice little curve. And then once we have this, now we can divide up the teeth because one part of it is his gum. So this is gonna, so that's the gum and that's the teeth, and we'll be able to see that once I start coloring. And then here, just come down on each side and then just curve that. All right. Okay, so let's finish up his mouth. So up here, around his mustache, just make a big loop. Okay, and then same thing on this side. Just make a big loop. And then we're going to come down and connect to the bottom line that we drew earlier. Okay, so it's got a big smile. All right, and then come down a little bit. Just draw a little line here for his lower lip. And then now we're just going to draw one big circle around it. So it might be a little bit tricky, but just try to draw like a big, just kind of like a big oval egg shape on his side. Okay, and then we're going to draw the bottom. Okay, so that's his funny looking face, and let's finish up the top. He's got some greenery here. It's going to come up. Come up again, but flare it out the tip, and then we're going to close that off. And then here, just kind of come over, and just come back down like this. And now from here, you can actually just go in, just follow that curve and just pinch it to the tip. And then we're going to draw the underside, just draw that. All right, so now it looks like it's folded over. And the same thing on this side, we're going to come out. Okay, and then so somewhere right here, just draw that and connect that. And now we draw the underside again. So now it looks like it's folded over. Yeah, very simple, right? But it looks good. Okay, so let's move on to his body. And he's got a pretty funny looking, looks like this funny looking apron around him. So we can start out, let's see, he's got a little bit of a collar here. So that one's gonna be easy. We just draw two little curves like this, angle. And then from there, let's go ahead and come down and draw his apron. So two lines, and then we're gonna run it across. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna come down. And then we're just gonna run this across a little bit. Okay, so that's gonna be the side straps of the apron. And then we're gonna come down, go back into the apron, Continue this curve and then close this off. Okay, so that's the apron, and then now we can draw in the little body, which is gonna be pretty simple. So from here, from the apron part right here, just go up a little bit. And on this part, come down. Again, close that off. And then we're gonna extend this a little bit and then just go back up into the head. And then same thing here. So we're gonna extend this part. Then we're gonna come down, close this off, come out just a little bit, not as much as the other side. And then we just draw, you can actually start up here if you want. It's easy to draw it down. Just connect that. All right, and then let's see, he's got a little pizza image right here. So this one's gonna be easy. We just draw a curve. And just close it with a corner. And then this is gonna be the crust. And then I'll just draw in some curves for the pepperoni, I guess. Okay, and then from there, let's finish up the base. So like, this one's kind of easy. Just draw the same curves as this, but just draw it much bigger. Okay, and then now we're gonna come down on each side. And then we're gonna curve this and just connect that. Same curve. And now for the opposite curve, we're just gonna go up and just right behind it. Okay, and then let's see, on the bottom it looks like it's got some decoration here, so just flare that out and just kind of draw these little curves all the way around and just connect back to this. Okay, and then let's see, let's draw in the little lines on the apron. So these are gonna be stripes. So this is gonna be red, that's gonna be one. And then you can draw in, let's draw in this side first. Okay, and then once we have those, we need two more stripes inside. So we'll just draw one. And that is it for this Tomato Town statue. I hope you guys like this silly thing, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.